Mainline Palitoy wagons. You will have often heard me sing the praises of mainline wagons. Despite being around 40 years old now, these wonderful models were so ahead of their time that they can still impress today. The lovely sprung couplings were designed to give a scale 4 feet between the vehicles. The wheel sets and axles give remarkable free running. How free running, you ask? Well, look at this rake of 14. I've just unboxed them and done nothing to them yet. Look how free they all run. As some may know, I'm going through a bad time just now, so using the well-known auction site, I've been taking a bit of retail therapy. It's not broken the bank, as these wagons sell way below the cost of modern offerings, and nearly all of these were unused or brand new in the box. You can see from looking at the wheels how much use they might have had. Coke wagons were standard wagons with extra planks added, known as raves. Coke was lighter, so more could be carried per wagon. MOY, first released in 1977-78, Thomas Moy Limited started up in 1861 and had a wagon works in Peterborough. Moy's Wagon Company Limited lasted until mid-1960s. This wagon's livery is late 1930s and based in the LMS region. Cambrian were wagon builders in Cardiff. The wagon was released in 1979 and again its late 30s livery. Paint Nut and Bolt was coal transport in South Wales. The wagon was released in 1980. TWW Thomas Ward of Sheffield, a heavy engineering company. Based on the LMS and LNER, the wagon was released in 1979. CWS, released in 1982, Cooperative Wholesale Society coal wagons, another late 30s livery. An interesting note is wagons that have just the initials like MOY and CWW are generally late 1930s. Before the depression of the 30s, wagons would have the full name of the owners on the side. Finally, and these are the main reason for my purchases, we have these wonderful Carpenter & Sons coal merchant wagons based in Tiverton, Devon. The wagon was released in 1982. Okay, let's take these down to the railway for a run, with an appropriate locomotive. Given the large number of Great Western area wagons, what better than a Dean Goods?